Hello everyone. Guys, do you know what the most important thing in the world is? The most important thing is passion. You want to live a life. Look, we have one life. Life isn't that long. Life is actually kind of short. We live, we die, we don't live long, and our children aren't going to live long, and their children's children aren't going to live long. But listen to this. Everyone has the potential to unleash their passion. Are you unleashing your passion? Think about it. Everyone has a different brain. Everyone's brain is contoured differently from everyone else, which means everyone can become a world expert in one particular thing. Your passion is reflects the contours of your head as it is, the contours of your brain, the contours of your imagination. Are you unleashing that passion? Are you unleashing what makes you unique? Because if you aren't living up to your potential. Look, we don't live forever, but we're here to be passionate, to be happy, to be excited. If you're not being excited, whether you're doing a hobby, whether you're doing something else, look, if your career is not good, you have to change it. You have to become passionate because we don't live forever and we have to do what we really want to do. Please, guys, this is very important. We need to be passionate. We need to develop this. This is why we've been created, why we're on Earth. Our universe, the universe put all its energy into creating us, into making us. We are the ones that are here now, celebrating our own lives. And we can't do that if we're not passionate about what we're doing. So, guys, please, I'm begging you, do what you want to do.